So, in last video, we have discussed about the installation part, and in today's lecture, we will continue with the print statement. So, we have used the two print statement, and let me just explain it first. So, here are the two print statements. So, for the first thing, what does this print statement do? It prints the characters inside double inverted commas character by character. So it prints whatever inside the double inverted comma, and what this character by character means. This means when I have in this first print statement I have given hello and world. So in output screen, hello world is printing like HELLO, then space, and then WORLD. But this is happening in such a lightning fast speed that at the end we are just seeing this hello world. But it is printing character by character, encountering each character at single time. Okay, to understand this character by character, I am telling you first some special characters which is backslash n and backslash t. What this backslash n does, it is the new line character. What is it? The new line character. And secondly, it that is backslash t is a tab. Now what the tab do? It is similar to the key uh, just above the caps lock key. That this one tab, and the key is present just above the caps lock. So what this tab do? It leaves four or six spaces. So the work of the tab is to leave four or six spaces, whereas the work of backslash n is to change line in the middle of the print statement. Just like if I edit this code with backslash n over here and backslash t over here. So what will be the output? The output will be H, then E, then L, L, O. Now it will encounter a character which is a special character. Now what this special character do? It changes the console line. So as soon as the print statement will encounter this character, it will change the line, and the remaining part, which is the world part, will get print character by character, then to also on the next line of the console. Hello and then world. Okay. Now, if second point to remember that every print statement changes the console line changes the console line after their execution by default. So after the execution of this print statement, it will changes the line. By default, every print statement changes the console line. So this hello world is completely in a print statement, and the backslash n is responsible to change the line between this hello and this world. And the again the console line changes as soon as this G double O D good gets printed, and why this line gets changed due to the next print statement. Okay, or the first print statement get over, so it by default changes the console line. So good, and then backslash t. What this backslash t do? It will leave four spaces and then by. So I am editing this code. I am writing here backslash n and then backslash t. So as we discussed, the hello and then world, after the first print statement got executed, it changes the line, and then the next print statement good, and how many spaces? Three. One, two, three, and four. Four spaces for the VS code, and then by. Okay. So the print, what is print statement? The work of print statement is it prints the character, uh, although character by character, and every print statement changes the console line after the execution. Now, if there is another question that we have to use two print statement. What we have to do? We have to use two print statement, and we also want that the first statement, which is hello world, and then the next statement, which is by. So to we want to use two print statement, and also whatever the characters are given in this two print statement, we have to print it in the same line. So what output I am expecting? I am expecting the output hello world good bye. Okay, so I want to use two print statement, and then to using these two print statement, I want to print these two set of characters in a single line. So what I'm going to explain now is a attribute of a print statement only, which is the end attribute. And attribute. It is the attribute of print statement, and the syntax of this attribute is first we use the print statement, and then after a comma we use and then equal to, and with whatever the character by which I have to end the print statement, I will give inside this inverted comma. Which inverted comma? The inverted comma of this and attribute. Okay. My problem statement is uh, there is a two print statement, two print functions, and whatever the series of characters is inside that print two print functions, I have to print that two series of character in a single line. Like this hello and this world, by default it will get print in two different lines, but what I am supposed to do, I am supposed to print this hello world in a same line. So we are using this and attribute, and what we will do, I will simply use and equal to, and inside this double inverted comma I will give space. So what this and attribute is, uh, what the function of this and attribute, it is denoting, it is giving a command to this print statement that you have to end by giving just a single space, not by changing the console line, but by giving the single space. Okay. So hello world and then goodbye. Now let me explain you with this backslash n and then backslash t. So what, let me save it first. Now this what will be the output? The hello will print as it is, and the backslash n will get encountered. What I have told you, every character which will be print character by character. So hello will get print, and due to this backslash n, the console line gets changed, and then world. Now it we are done with this print statement. Now by what I have to end this print statement with a single space. So a single space over here, and then this this print statement will get the charge. It will print good, and then backslash t. What is the backslash t? The backslash t will give four spaces, and then bye. Okay. So what will be the output? Hello world with a space over here, good, and then bye. Why this line is getting changed? This line due to this backslash n. Okay. See, hello and then world, good, and then four spaces, bye. So if I will do two tile sign in the end, so where this tile sign will get inserted, it will get insert after this D and before this G. Before this G. Why? because again, how the first print statement gets end with these two tiled sign, okay, these two tiled sign, and then run. So after this B and before this G, okay. Another editing what I am supposed to do, I will supposed to print next lecture on variables. So I am not telling this print statement how it is going to end, or I am not using any end attribute with this print, the print which is in the second line. Okay, so what it will do, it will changes the console screen, because by default print, what print is supposed to do, it prints the character, whatever the character is inside the double inverted comma, and changes the line. Okay, so what will be the output? So hello, hello world, first hello world, done with the first print statement, and then second print statement will get in the same line due to this end. So goodbye, hello world, and then goodbye in the same line. And we have not used any end attribute with this print. So after printing by, it will do what is supposed to do by default. By default, it is changing the line of the console screen. So what the next this print statement do, it will change the line, and then the next print statement, next lecture on variables, next lecture on variable. Okay, so there will be two liner output, hello world, goodbye, and then next lecture on variable. Hello world, goodbye, and next lecture on variable. Okay.